What's worse than a district attorney committing a crime and actually getting away with it? A YouTuber apology video. Now, in New York, there's currently a district attorney that got away with a crime, and it's on police cam footage. And she also looks to be inebriated, and I wanted to show that, so here's the clip.
Coming home from work.
55 and a 35.
I don't really care.
Okay.
So you can call Dennis.
Can you come? Can you
No,
please
no.
come over here?
No.
You're on. This is on a traffic stop, ma'am.
Yes, it is. You can call Dennis Kohlmeyer right now.
Okay. I'm telling you why I stopped you. You didn't stop at all. Did you not hear my lights or sirens or anything?
No, I didn't actually. I was on the phone.
Okay. Well, you're not supposed to be on the phone while you're driving either.
Yes, I am with the hands-free. Absolutely.
Okay. Why are you so upset at me? I'm doing my job.
No,
You just admitted to me that you were going 55 and a 35 on Phillips
Can
Road.
you please tell him to leave me alone? It's
Officer Christopher.
Christopher.
Can you stay over here, ma'am? This
No,
is a
I'm
traffic.
not
This is a
staying
this
over
is a
here.
legal traffic stop. Do you have your ID?
No, it's in my purse. Here.
You have your purse right there.
No, this is my lunch. Would you talk to Dennis? This is ridiculous. Just go away.
Hello, sir. Good, ma'am. Can you please stay at the back?
Can
This
you
is a
stop?
ma'am. This is legal traffic stop. Can you please stay over here,
No. Hey, baby, get your little guy out of here.
sir? I stopped her for going 55 and a 35 on Phillips
On
Road,
Phillips Road.
and
coming
she
home from
failed
work.
to stop. She drove all the way back home and parked in her garage. And now she's not complying with any of my commands. Ma'am, do not go inside.
Oh my God!
Yep. All right. Ma'am, come outside. You can't just go inside. This is a traffic stop. Here's your phone
I
back.
understand the law better than you. Would you just
953. Can you have a supervisor come to the scene?
No.
Why? I don't know why you're acting like this towards me.
Because
Can you please go to the back of the vehicle?
I'm not going to. I'm home. Okay, 55.
I don't care if you got home. You were supposed to stop at Phillips Road when I pulled you over. When my lights were
I
initiated.
didn't know you were stopping me. There was lots of other people on the road.
You're supposed to.
Because I didn't feel like stopping on Phillips Road
Well,
at
that's not
5:30.
your choice. You know that.
Well, I made it my choice.
Okay. Well, now you made it a bigger deal than it needed to be.
It's a really bigger deal. And when people start coming, it's a much bigger deal.
Well, you caused that, Sandra. Well, what do you want us to do? Not do our job because it's you?
No, it's fine. I said, write me a ticket. But I was just saying, I was not going to stop at Phillips Road at 5:30.
Okay. Well, you broke another law because of that, right? And you should know better.
Write me a traffic ticket.
That's not a traffic ticket. That's an arrestable offense, Sandra.
I quickly want to cut off the video. So the officer says that this is an arrestable offense, which it absolutely is, and it should have been. But the district attorney decided to abuse her powers. Her name is Sandra. Now, it's pretty evident, and all of this being public, and so the people wanted answers. And what did they do? They called up her office and asked for her to get, kicked out, as any ethics violation, should be gone. They should be out of there. No, like any normal person would think that. But nope, instead she is still there till this day in New York. And also, she pled guilty to the traffic violation. So I guess that makes her, in her mind, she thinks that upholds to what crime she committed. Not only did she drive off without when the police sirens were blaring at her, telling her to stop and everything, she did not pull over for once. Rather, she went home all the way. And then afterwards, I have a little conspiracy theory. And I think that because of the slurring of her words, I'm more than likely thinking that she was likely intoxicated, which led to why she wanted to drive all the way home without stopping, just so then she could, confront the officer and say, hey, don't do that. Wiggle your finger around and say to the officer, not me. So I wanted to show the worst part of this, which in my honest opinion is probably the YouTube video, or at least she released a statement, to her office, and it got published. I don't even know where it originally got published. It's probably on YouTube somewhere, but basically, here's the video just to show you.
Last Monday, I failed you and the standards that I hold myself to, and for that, I am so sorry. What I did was wrong, no excuses. I take full responsibility for my actions. I fell short of the values I've held for my entire 33-year career. I didn't treat this officer with the respect that he deserved. All police officers deserve respect. I am truly and sincerely sorry. I had just come from work. I was dealing with 3 homicides that occurred over the weekend. I watched a video where an innocent cab driver was executed, and I was still reeling from a frightening medical concern that my husband received that afternoon. But we all have bad days and stress, and it was wrong for me to take it out on an officer who was simply doing his job. While I previously apologized to him, I will say it again. I'm sorry. Police already have a tough job.
She basically tries to come up with every excuse in the book, and in the end, it really doesn't help her case. Like, I know a DA's job is very demanding, and you're going to see some of the most horrific things because you have to be a prosecutor as well. But at the same time, it is very corrupted when you have to work on your own case, and the public sees that, and they just think like, wow, okay then, I guess if you reach the level of a DA, you can basically get away with anything. And that was all. That's all the video was about. But anyways, I want you to have a beautiful day, and yeah, that's it. I hope you subscribe. Have a nice day.